This is a Denny Connell production.
Fuck you.
What, did your crimp fail?
No. Alright. So, morning time camp shenanigans. What we got going on is I've woke up late and Dustin has his shit packed up. Rob has his shit packed up. But he dropped his bike and hurt his finger. So now he's wearing a glove. But it's not broken, so he's going to carry on.
It's bleeding good, so.
My power bank stopped charging. This guy right here, which is our camp's life. So I'm currently splicing wires together and trying to get it running again. Dustin made coffee and yeah, it's kind of a late start, but I think that's okay. So I got my bike all put back together. The charger thing's working. I just shoved my tent inside this bag. That's why I like it. It's fucking huge. Makes for quick putting it up. I didn't even put the tent inside the bags and none of that shit. The air mattress is still inside the tent. Deflated. Oh shit. So the place we're staying at has water. So that's why I like getting these big water bottles. So that way I can just fill them up at places that I know has water. It's kind of like water storage. But on the cheap, so I'm not buying crazy stuff. Make sure it tastes good. Sometimes the waters taste like shit. And if that happened, I wouldn't fill my bottle up here. Well, this is all I carry for water is 2 of these and then usually my water bottle full. So, okay. All right, I'm all packed up. This is the last person today to get ready. And that's because, you know, I had to do some fixing on my bike. Everyone uses, oh, fucking motherfucker. Everyone uses the old charger. Still charging. I think I'm just gonna do it like this time. Got this cord, I'm gonna have to reroute it. Fuck. That way I can unplug it and plug it while I'm stopped at places. Okay, that'll work. That'll be my off-on switch. I gotta remember to unplug it or it's gonna kill my battery. Okay, now I'm ready to go. We got Rob's already taken off on me. Dustin's patiently waiting. Oh, I still gotta fucking strap up my boots. My junk boots. Okay, and while I was doing this, the mosquitoes done tore me up. That was fun. Oh, to go pay?
Yeah.
We didn't pay last night. Oh man, am I stuck in here? Oh, come on. There we go. Why, hello. Okay, kickstand up. Why didn't that work? Oh, really gotta wash the battery thing. That was a close one. That was really close to getting fucked. Oh man. I should probably buy some sort of alligator clips I can connect to one of their bikes to charge my battery. Really got to remember to unplug. All right. Hopefully I didn't forget anything.
I don't know if that's gonna charge.
If not, my thing's charging, so first overnight, not that bad. Oh, what's going on here? Yeah, we're gonna go eat at a restaurant, right? Stink the whole place up? Yeah.
Yeah, I was telling him you guys got to go to the Washougal National in a couple weekends.
Oh yeah, we're talking about it.
Yeah, it's a great time.
I was just down there a couple weeks ago for the North race.
Nice, like the J Day sort of thing, like a more of an.
Okay, we're just doing a lot more road miles again, and right about now I'm like thinking that we should already be hitting dirt, doing some dirt stuff, but we still got a long ways to go on the road, and we got a late start to the day. So I'm really itching to just get some dirt, and we actually were supposed to go get something to eat. I thought we were going to get some breakfast to eat because I didn't eat breakfast, but we actually didn't even do that till way later in the day. But we did throw down a lot of miles right here, and so montage of me driving because it felt like I was driving for days, not hours. In case you're wondering why we turned in here, I don't think anybody has any idea why we turned in here. I thought maybe he's seen some gas, and he thought maybe we were going to go to the lake, and yeah, none of that happened. So we just kind of drove in there and talked and then left. You going to turn around?
That's what I was wondering.
I've got 105 miles.
140.
What?
I got 140. It's like 50 miles to Bend.
Okay, well, let's go to the next town then.
Okay.
Yeah. I was just kind of letting you know, because we passed that gas station back there, and I was like, oh shit. Yeah.
Okay. I almost pulled in there, but I was like, 104.
Well, now I only have one little fucking thing left.
It's up to you guys.
But it says 104.
What do you fortified? I don't know.
Fuck yeah, dude. It reminds me of the desert. Alright, dude, let's go. Yeah, definitely beautiful. What? No, I do. I just said yeah. Also, if you're wondering, none of us ride with comms because I don't like to do it because I don't like to look at this beautiful scene and then have someone yapping in your ear the whole time while you're riding it. It's not fun. For me, I don't like it. It's like, I feel like it's distracting. I do have a Cardo on my helmet, but I listen to music with it only. I hardly ever connect it to other people. So that's why we like hand signals and all that other stuff, which we really didn't even have hand signals either. I just pointed at my gas tank and was like, I need some gas. You gonna fill my tricycle up too?
Oh, fuck. I don't want that one.
What?
I said I don't want that one.
You gotta get the good one.
I know. I'm driving a shit box that I don't care what it gets.
Yeah.
Scratch my paint.
Scratch your paint. I think that's gonna happen. Well, that's weird. This thing goes in deep. That's what she said. But, I think I'm gonna do all my shopping for supplies here. We decided to go to Safeway. I stabbed holes in my bag so it would leak water out, melt the ice. This girl's trying to fucking back out without hitting our bikes. It's working good. Alright, Safeway. Alright, my alternative to freeze-dried foods is... Oh, I'll put it in first, right? So, start off with tortillas, with lettuce. We got a little package of meat. We got beans and hot dogs. And I think the beans and hot dogs is going to be one meal. And the lettuce and this will be another meal, and that should last... Well, fuck, I don't know, but we'll see how long it lasts. Okay. Alright, at this point, we still haven't gotten any food, and we've just been driving non-stop on this long desert road. It literally sucks the water right out of your mouth. So super dry, super hot, and super long, and just flat. It is beautiful, but I can only take so much beauty before I start getting a headache. You know what I mean? It was hot. Dustin! This is where I was so excited to finally get some food. Alright, we decided not to eat there because one, we didn't want to leave our bikes unattended with all of our gear on it and all these people around. There was a homeless person sleeping by the tree over there. And two, that place that we were going to go is hella fucking busy. It was some brewery that's down here. So we're definitely not doing that. I'm not really a busy crowds kind of person. So yeah, we're going to go eat at another place like 13 miles away. I'm honestly kind of itching to get to the trail already. So, working on day number 2-ish. We took off at 2 o'clock in the afternoon on a Friday. So today's Saturday and it's already like 2 o'clock again. So we will see what kind of shizness we can get ourselves into. Oh, look at that.
The restaurant's right through there, and then the brewery's a little further down. I don't know which one you guys want to go to.
Is there?
Oh man, that looks like fun. Oh man, you're killing me.
Oh, they are fun.
Oh, I know. I had a 1200 Yamaha. We traveled all over the Northwest. Wait till you get up in Montana and Canada, Beartooth Pass, all that.
I'm gonna pull over. I'm gonna pull over real fast. I'm gonna pull over real fast up there. Oh, I do got a strap loose. I always forget we have horns. Loose straps are dangerous. Every biker should know that. And if you don't know that, just if you have loose straps, it's really dangerous. I seen a video of a guy that his strap got loose, went around his tire, locked his tire up on the highway, and he went down and crashed. So, I mean, he could have saved me from a potential disaster. We missed our turn, so we got to backtrack. Okay. Okay, me too. Oh. Uh-oh. And it was back on the road with miles and miles. What it felt like forever. It was like an eternity, basically, of just riding until our next campsite. I was already kind of over the day. Don't get me wrong, the riding is, I like riding. I just don't like driving on the street. It's not as fun as like riding through the woods. So for me, this was kind of boring. I did see some amazing things. I tried to capture as much amazing things as I could, but obviously when you're riding your bike through a desert, there's not very many amazing things to capture. What's up? Just taking a break?
Yeah, it's gotta stretch a little. I saw the museum sign. There might be something up there.
I don't know. It looks pretty dustlit over here. Dustin just shit his pants. That's going in the video for sure.
That's a small tank, dude.
I feel it too. No, the most.
The most?
Yeah. That was not a good start. Right here, I thought we were leaving, but I didn't realize that Dustin hadn't gotten gas yet. I just got gas. Yeah, I didn't get nothing. Huh.
Dinner while we can.
What?
Gotta go in there.
The bar? Okay. I think we just stopped in the middle of a road, maybe.
Well, we're making really good time.
Are we?
We only got 22 miles to go.
Fuck yeah.
Alright, here we go. But you got their wallets?
Yep.
I'm gonna leave mine here so you guys gotta pay for everything.
For now, that's actually a good idea. I like it, dude. It's pretty genius. Just leave it at the counter and be like, hey, mail this to the address and fucking. Oh.
I figured.
What?
I figured he'd want gas. It's about that mileage where he gets nervous.
Oh, are you gonna fill up?
I don't think it doesn't show a gas station down here by the start of the BDR, so there is one a little further up. Oh, it's right up here. Yeah, we should probably fill up.
Okay. Oh, I got you this time, buddy. That's the gas station, right?
Huh?
That's the gas station?
Yeah. I'm about to whip over there.
You whip it out? Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Hell yeah, dude. Drop my gloves everywhere. Okay, we're just gonna get gas. And almost sunset. Oh, might have to go closer. Perfect.
Fingers down.
I have a feeling people are gonna tell me I'm leaking something for like the rest of the trip. Well, that would have been a better picture. I forgot to strap my helmet on. Oh, fuck. It always makes me nervous not strapping my helmet down.
Got the cable.
They're waiting for you. Fuck it.
Close to the shower.
Is that the shower? Yeah.
I think they're all power and water.
I mean, I don't know if that helps you. I don't have nothing to plug in.
I'm just saying, I don't think there's one without water. That might be the camp host guy.
Yeah. Camp hose. Camp hose?
Hi guys.
Hi.
We have a water crisis this evening.
Okay.
The fifth wheel was opening a slide and broke off the water. Inside loop. All these tent sites on the inside loop don't have any water.
What about this one?
That one does. Yeah, that's a RV site, but don't worry about tonight. Don't worry about that.
Oh, is it? And can we have fires?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Under,
You said
Perfect.
sites.
well, like are all tent sites that are like $6 or whatever less a night.
Okay.
But Ranger will back me up on this. If you want to take that site and just pay the tent rate.
Okay.
It's not your fault.
Today was a long one, but we made it to a campsite. We haven't made it to the BDR yet, but I think we're like 20 minutes away from the BDR or something like that. So we're real close. Tomorrow in the morning we'll start here and just kind of go straight to the BDR. And yeah, we're gonna set up camp now. Bye-bye. Okay, so I'm gonna do a setup my tent thing real fast. So first thing we're gonna do is undo my jacket. Oh shit, that's this thing right here. It gives me some slack. Undo this, and then that gets my jacket off. That I'll probably never wear because it's been hot this whole time. Next thing is my suitcase. Bust this out. It's the only one I put through. Yep. Okay. Undo this bad boy. Got my hoodie. Got my tent poles. And my tent. Oh, air mattress fell out of it. But that's okay. The brown thing goes down on the bottom. Poles go in the holes. We put this thing up. Oh, this one. This goes back inside. It's my air mattress. Okay. This was a nice flat spot. Sleeping bag. Top to my tent. It was like this. Something like this. These things go right there. And then I connect.
Iron Man, how's it going? Daddy, Iron Man, Dustin, helmet on.
And then if I want to open these flaps, I can open them. Pop, pop. Lets the air in. And that's basically it. Campsite is set up. All we got to do is start a fire, cook some food, get some drinks, and then I'm done. Made it to the camp. Oh shit. The lighting situation's difficult. Anyways, I took a shower. We got that. I washed my clothes. And Dustin's taking a shower. Rob's going to take a shower next. And then we're going to eat and go to sleep. All right? Mm-hmm. Probably drink some beers first before we go to sleep. And then talk about boobies. I mean, yeah. But then after that, we're going to sleep. But I did manage to get my clothes washed. And I figured now's the best time to do it because, yeah, we're at a campsite with fucking hot water. We have a fire. And, I mean, even though we're only 2 days into it, yeah, it's the best time to do it. Either do it now or never.
Just from.
All right. So, my alternative to the food pouches is the meat that I bought at the store. Cooked it up. Get some lettuce. Get some tortillas. Slap them together.
With beer.
And make one of those things. And it works pretty good. See that? Bye-bye.
It's very, very
A
good.
little bit of salt. And that's my alternative to boiling water. I like it better. I can actually stomach it. Little bottle of hot sauce, some salt, some, whatever else you want to put on there. Anyways, it's pretty cheap too. I think that's $3, that's $8, and that's $5. But meat I can't use again. The tortillas I can use for at least 2 or 3 more days. The salad, I'll probably eat the whole thing later tonight when I get hungry. All right, bye-bye. What? Oh, yeah. See, my laundry's all hung up. So my balls will smell like campfire next time I put them on.